One of the advantages of using the Tabor LUXORliving solution is the size and the impact on your consumer unit. Now, there's a lot of systems out there that use rack-based systems that require a 19-inch rack, that require cooling. All of the LUXORliving actuators, the output actuators, are mounted in the consumer unit. So it keeps that footprint down to a reasonable size. It also means that all those products are kept together at the same place as your standard consumer unit protection and isolation. Every LUXORliving installation will consist of a power supply, normally the IP1 control center, and this is what will connect you into your local area network or your Wi-Fi router, and it will allow you the internet access if you want that, but it's not absolutely necessary. Next to the power supply, you've got your various output actuators, so whether it be dimming or switching, heating control, or DALI lighting control, the colored lighting control. Each one of our actuators has a button on the front for each channel, so you can activate the channel from the button on the front. It always gives you the option to activate lighting or heating control locally if there's a problem with your internet, for instance, or with other control surfaces.